green vegetables that you might pass by at the market without realizing their true value. It's the green beans. Yes, those long green pods are full of health surprises, and their cooking method is simple and delicious. First, what are the health benefits? Their high fiber content helps improve digestion and gives you a feeling of fullness, making them ideal for those trying to lose weight. Rich in antioxidants like vitamin C and A, they boost your immunity and protect your body cells from damage. They contain vitamin K, calcium, and magnesium, which are essential for building strong bones, especially for women. For pregnant women, green beans provide a good dose of folic acid, which helps protect the fetus from congenital disabilities. Simply, they are a complete meal in a simple form. Second, how do we cook green beans in a healthy and delicious way? Ingredients: 500 grams of green beans, washed and cut. A small chopped onion. 2 cloves of crushed garlic. A tablespoon of olive oil. Grated tomatoes or a tablespoon of tomato paste. A little salt, pepper, turmeric, and red pepper. A cup of hot water. Method 1. Begin by heating the olive oil in a saucepan, then add the onions until they soften. 2. Add the garlic, followed by the tomatoes and spices. Mix the ingredients well, then add the green beans and stir. 4. Add the water, cover the pot, and leave it on low heat for 25 to 30 minutes. Smart note: to maintain the bright green color of the beans, boil them in boiling water for 3 minutes, then place them directly in cold water before cooking. In conclusion, green beans are not just delicious food. They are a natural recipe for health, beauty, and energy. So why not include them in our diet regularly? The benefits of green beans don't stop there. They are packed with essential vitamins that the body needs to maintain its vital functions. We mentioned vitamin C, which is known for its important role in enhancing and strengthening the immune system, and protecting the body from diseases and infections. They also contain vitamin K, which is necessary for bone health and aiding in proper blood clotting. Additionally, green beans are a significant source of essential minerals. They contain potassium, which helps regulate and balance blood pressure, and magnesium, which supports healthy nerve and muscle functions. Let's not forget their powerful antioxidants that combat free radicals and protect body cells from damage due to oxidative stress. One of the simplest and most common ways is to boil the beans in boiling water for a few minutes, just until they become tender but still retain their bright green color and nutritional value.